Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can create GET REST API in Next.js by using MongoDB. In previous videos, we have learned about how to create REST API by using MySQL database. Now in this video, I am going to tell about GET REST API with MongoDB. So let's start. For MongoDB, we have to install a library called Mongoose. So we have to install, first of all, we say npm install mongoose. This is the library which is required to make connection with MongoDB. So application is installed. Now I need to run my application. So I say npm run dev. Now you see application is running and we just try to make a connection with MongoDB. For that, in API route group, I just create one more route and I say emp. Remember that emp, I am creating this. Under this, I create a route.tsx file. So this is the file for creating route handler or REST API. Now here I just create first one is get REST API equal to request next request like this, and I export it. Here I need to write a code to fetch data from the MongoDB. For that I need to make a connection. So for making a connection, I need here to write a code. So I'm creating a separate file under this route. That file is MongoDB connection.tsx. Remember that MongoDB connection.tsx. And here I import Mongoose like this. And with the help of this Mongoose, I create a schema. So I say const emp model equal to mongoose.schema like this. And here I need to pass the type of field I want to take. So first one is eid, so I say that is of a string type. Then we have ename, that is also of a string type. Then we have a salary, that is of number type like this. So here I write new, then mongoose dot schema, and I'm creating here new schema emp model. Then I need to export model, so I say export mongoose dot models, and that is employees like this, and mongoose dot model, and here I need to pass employee, and here I need to pass a new model. What is the meaning of this? That I want to tell you. Export default. So like this I need to use it. I have choice why I'm writing here employees and why this. I explain you that here I have the MongoDB running it, and if I show you here show databases, you see that I want to use this emp database. So database I will use to make connection. Now if I use this empdb, under this I have a collection name is employees. Remember that, that's why I am taking here employees. If this collection is already available, already created, then we have to use this. Otherwise we have to use, if it is not created, then we have to create a new one, and new one field is this eid, name and salary. And you see that if I show the information from this db.employee.find, you will see that there are three field here, eid, ename and salary. These are string and number. That's why I have given here eid, ename and salary. Same I am keeping it. So already I have this employees collection here. A collection means the tables I have already in my MongoDB database. The same record from this collection I want to fetch here in Next.js from MongoDB. So if this is available, then fetch this. Otherwise create new one, employee's name, and the schema is this. So this kind of things we need. So I have created this. This is done. I need to make use of this under this. So I import it. So I say import employees from, and I say that is in the current directory. So I say mongoose connection. So from this I want to read this employees. Remember that this employees I want to read from this file that I am going to use here to fetch a record. So I make this async because I need this. Now I need to fetch information. So I say const emp data equal to employee dot find like this, and here I say await like this, and I need to make connection also. So I need mongoose also. So I say import mongoose like this. So I need database connectivity also. So here I say mongos dot connect, then I say connection one MongoDB, then 127.0.1 port number 27017. This is the default port. EMP-DB is the database name. I have shown you that this database I want to access, and here I need to put await also. So connection establishment we need, then we need data from this, then we need to return that data. I say return next response like this .json, and here I say emp data, and here I need to pass the status of this, that is 200, that I want to display. If everything is okay, so this emp should run. Now no error at all. So I try to fetch this here, emp/emp. Right now it is not running. So this is the error, cannot find next response. I need to import this next response like this. Save this. Now I try to refresh once again. You see all the records are coming here. 6 records, 1 2 3 4 5 5 records are available in MongoDB. All 5 records are coming. You can see here it's a simple one. We made a connection here like this one, and then we have here the connectivity, then we fetch the information, we display it. So you see that same record you can check in MongoDB also. Under the MongoDB you can see that this same records are available. You see same records are available in MongoDB also. Now you can test all these things in Postman also. So this is a Postman, and here in place of student I say emp, and I just get here, send here, and you will see that we will have the record here from the MongoDB also. So get REST API is completed. It's a very simple coding. You can remember easily also that by just writing a few lines of code, we are able to connect with MongoDB, and we are fetching a data. We are creating a get route handler, and that get route handler is also called get REST API. So like this you can make your get REST API for your application in Next.js for using MongoDB at the backend. If you like this, that's all in this video. If you like it, please consider to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.